utilization of fungi, or call it as a importance of fungi or economic importance of fungi, or beneficial activities performed by the fungi which can be used for benefit of human being. So fungi generally they are considered as agents of destruction. Fungi are soil farmers by the decomposition of organic matter. Fungi are important in the field of medicine, fermentation, biochemical like enzymes, organic acids, steroids, etc. They can be produced by the different kinds of fungi. Many fungi have harmful activities also. So, by causing the diseases to the crop plants, huge loss in the yield every year in every season. Plant growers or farmers, they experience this thing. At the same time, these fungi they deteriorate the food, leather, also they attack on lenses, they disturb the paints, also attack on the wood and timber. In addition, there are some fungi which causes animal diseases as well as human mycotic diseases. Some of the useful activities of the fungi we will briefly discuss here. So fungi are used as a food. So many fungi, they are rich in protein. Also minerals are in large amount in the fungi. They are also vitamin rich, and thus protein rich, mineral rich and vitamin rich food can be produced by different species of fungi. For example, Morchella. So it is a Ascomycetes fungus actually, belongs to class Ascomycetes, and it is tastiest fungus. Name of that fungus is a Morchella. Then mushrooms like Agaricus or Pleurotus, Valvariella, Lentinus. So these genus of the mushrooms, they are nowadays cultivated on the large scale under artificial culture medium is used, or we can say methods they are used. Yeast, Venus yeast, for example, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, it is rich in vitamins, minerals, and also proteins. At present, mushroom industry is one of the billion-dollar industry of the world, and it has huge scope. So like this, fungi are important, they can be used as a food. Fungi in industries. So fungi are heterotrophic, chemotrophic, and grown on variety of substrates to obtain important industrial products. So yeasts, they are used in production of alcohol. So sugar industry byproduct, we knows alcohol. So for its production, the yeast like Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used for production of this alcohol, or again in case of beer, brandy, whiskey and rums etc. For their production, the different types of different species of yeast they are used in the fermentation process. In cheese industry, utilizes the penicillium and aspergillus. Organic acid industry, with the help of aspergilli and penicilli, produce variety of organic acids. For example, with the use of aspergillus and penicillium species, after fermentation, the organic acids are produced. For example, citric acid, glucanic acid, etc. In enzyme industry, enzymes are produced from fungi. For example, pectinases, amylases, invertases and proteases. Like these enzymes, they are produced by using fungal fermentation. These enzymes are produced. Gibberellin is one of the important hormone and it is produced from fungus Gibberella. Gibberella fujicori is the fungus responsible for production of the one of the hormone, that is gibberellin. After infection of Gibberella fujicori to the paddy field or paddy plant, rice plant, scientists observe that the growth of the plant in terms of its height, it is too tall. The plant was too tall. So scientists went for searching what is there in the plant which makes it very tall. And in doing so, they observed that due to infection by Gibberella fujicori, many hormone like substances they are produced in the plant body, and one of that is a gibberellin. Types of gibberellins they are produced in the plant body. Then pigment industry. Fungal pigments are bright color and they are used as a dye which gives permanent color to the clothes, etc. Steroid production. Cortisone steroids are produced from fungus like Rhizopus and another fungus Aspergillus. And this is used in the treatment of rheumatic arthritis. Fungi are used in food processing industries, like for the preparation of bread, yeast is used. Yeast species are selected for the optimal baking properties, like high carbon dioxide production, for raising the dough. DYUGH, and also for good flavor. So from yeast, single cell protein, call it as a SCP. So single cell proteins are also produced uh, from some of the yeast species. So it is a source of, single cell protein is a source of, say, non-conventional food for the world. Vitamin and fat production. So cyanocobalamin and vitamin B12 is extracted from yeast. Some fungi like Aspergillus and Penicillium yields excellent fat products. Now we will see fungi in pharmaceuticals or fungi as medicines. So antibiotics, they are produced from the fungi and they are wonder drugs. Some of the examples like penicillin, cephalosporin and cyclosporins. So these are groups of antibiotics. Ergot alkaloids are mycotoxins. So they are extracted from the fungus named as a Claviceps purpurea. Ergotin is there. And it finds application during childbirth as anti-hemorrhage agent and to increase uterine contractions. It is used in treatment of migraine headache. Ergotin. And for hypertension also, this medicine is used. Graciofulvin antibiotic is a antifungal fusidic acid antibiotic. Fungi as decomposers. They cause decomposition of variety of organic materials and return mineral nutrients back to the soil. So recycling of the nutrients or minerals is due to the action of one of the major component which is involved in the decomposition of organic matter is these fungi. Fungi is also a good tool for research. Fungi are also used as a biofertilizers. So many species of fungi called phosphate solubilizers. For example, penicillin or Aspergillus. Fungi by decomposition add humus to the soil. Mycorrhizal association, it is a phosphate gathering symbiotic association between plant roots and fungi. So these are the positive importances of the fungi. Along with that, fungi they are also they have also negative importances, like they cause diseases to human being, they cause diseases to plants, and they do heavy economic loss to the crop plants or fodder plants or timber plants, also to ornamental plants. Fungi are responsible for deterioration. So deterioration of leather, cloth, paper, rubber or optical instruments, paints. Also food grains are deteriorated by some of the fungi. So like this, fungi cause spoilage of food. Also fungi cause food poisoning. So due to production of toxin, food poisoning, it may occur. So these are some of the negative importances, but actually our focus in the syllabus is related with the positive importances of the fungi.